So as you guys have seen from the title of this video, this is a massive day for the channel. I can't believe I'm actually saying this, that we're moving into a unit today. I'm walking along the street that goes to the unit, and I can't believe I started working on the driveway only like a year ago, almost today, work on driveway, and then I started working with Mike Brewer and the One Automotive team. They let me use their workshop, which I still will be because I'm still working with them, but I now have the keys to my own unit to go do better filming, better projects, bigger things. So if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button, follow this journey. I can't wait for you guys to see it, but yeah, let me show you the studio. And here it is. Wait, what? Get in here. Guys, I cannot believe we're in this unit. I'm so excited. We got the keys, they're in my pocket. Now, I am moving in here with someone, but that's a very special add-on to this unit, which I'll get to at some point. So as you can see, this is where any car will go when any project we do. Obviously, at the moment, it's just the Audi, which I've still got a few more things that I want to do to my Audi, but I've got some other cars that I'm currently bidding on, trying to work out to basically put here. And what we need is sorting out some kind of lift or something to go here. We can't put any post lift, so I have to work out some kind of scissor lift or something, but yeah, this place is insane. So as you would have seen for the intro video, look at the size of this CNC machine. It is absolutely massive, and the things, the possible things I'm going to be able to do in this are insane, but I will get to that in a bit. Maybe in a future video, I'll explain why that's here, who uses it, how we're going to be able to use it to do some insane videos. The place already comes with so many tools and things that I was going to be buying on my own, so it's absolute plus that they're already here. Then we go through into the workshop, which is where I'm going to be maybe carbon fiber parts and really work on things. Got this own little workshop in the back here, just to add to the main workshop out there, so I love this room here. And if we come up these stairs here, we get to the brains of the place. This is the design headquarters, the head office where the main ideas, things going forward, plans, 3D printing machine. There's literally design table here, but you know, I'll go into that in a different video. And look at this absolute cool chill room. It's all painted green, it's nice and chill. I'll turn the lights off now, but I think the screen of that TV screen, you can't even fit it. I think it's 78 inch or something like that. Insane for maybe just looking over some things or just chilling if you wanted to. And look, you could just look down and just see the projects going on that we have happening down there. And it's just, I love it. I absolutely love that you got this down bird's eye view of just the projects going on. I can't express how thankful I am of anyone that has subscribed so far, followed, liked, commented, anyone that's following the journey, because I won't be able to do this stuff without you guys. So if you haven't yet, if you feel like, you know, you like the content, you want to see what we have coming forward, please consider doing it, because I won't be able to do a lot of these things without, you know, I'm funding it on my own at the moment, out of my own pocket. I don't have any sponsors yet, and I'm hoping we can work towards getting some sponsors. The only way I can do that is getting you guys to, you know, to follow, subscribe, and help out, because I'm, like I said, I already have build plans. Me and the guy I moved in unit with, who I introduce you to soon, have some wacky ideas that we're going over in the ideas room upstairs. So please, if you can, drop my follow to see the future builds that we have planned together, because honestly, I'll tell you, some of them are going to be so good. Even stuff just having like a workbench. I can't stress how good that is, because like, as you know, like not doing it on the floor in the rain and the wind and things getting away and things blowing away as you're trying to work on them, just having them on the workbench, and you can just leave your project and then come back to it, and you know the weather and the outside hasn't ruined it. So yeah, guys, in the next video, we go into who I've moved into the unit with, what he does for a living, and how it's going to completely put the channel into a whole new level of ideas and things we're going to be able to do together. Now, a lot of our ideas are still in the design and idea stage. So if you have any builds or cars or vehicles or anything you want to see built, someone hasn't done before, or if they have done but you want to see done better or whatever, right? Please comment down below some ideas. We would love to hear them. We're going to go through all of them and just think of like ones that we could do, and then we're going to actually make them and do them. So yeah, any ideas, body kit wise, car wise, engine swap, something like that, please let me know down below, and maybe we consider it and put it on the list, and then we'll probably build it. I hope you liked the new unit. I cannot wait to start building things in here. I'm gonna get in here as soon as I can. I need some kind of car lift that I can get in there without ruining the floor, and I'm working on that right now with some companies, trying to sort some stuff out. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you haven't liked, subscribed, anything like that yet, please, if you could, it would mean a lot to me. My name is Steve. Thank you for coming by and watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the new ideas and things we have coming soon. But yeah, have a good one.